Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Oakley Wiretap frames. So let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your frames are facing towards you. We're going to place one thumb underneath the bridge of the nose here, and with the opposite thumb at the bottom of the lens here, we're going to push out and slide the lens out of the groove of the frame. So let's give it a shot. With this thumb, we're going to be pushing up on the frame, and with the opposing thumb, we're going to be sliding the lens out. Like that. And we're going to do the opposite to the other side. We're going to place our opposite thumb underneath the bridge of the nose, and with the other thumb, we're going to slide the lens out. Let's give it a shot. Perfect. So now to install your new Seek Optic lenses, you're first going to want to locate this screw inside of the frame. Now your lenses do have little hooks on them that will line up to that screw. Today I'm going to be installing my new Seek Optic Revo Emerald Green lenses, because I'm wearing my high school sweater today, so I wanted to match. So we're going to be installing these. Go ahead and locate these hooks right here, and we're going to insert them into that little screw. Okay, I'll go ahead and insert it there. Once you're done that, go ahead and line up the opposite end here to the grooves of the frame, like that. Now all that's left is go ahead and push up on the lens and push down on the frame to get it to seat in, like that. And we're going to do the same thing to the opposite end. Locate the screw inside the frame, and we're going to insert the lens first. Sometimes it helps if you bring it down like that. Go ahead and insert the lens and line up the opposite side of the lens, this little hook, into the groove of the frame like that. Now we're going to be pushing up on the lens and pulling down on the frame to get it seated in. And you should hear that pop. And if you do hear a pop, don't be alarmed. It's just the lens seating itself to the grooves of the frame. And now you're good to go. Once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses into your frames, we would love to see how you've customized your look to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag SeekOptics. Don't forget to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button. And of course, if you do have any further questions or concerns about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.